QNT at the time of this recording is breaking down, and we have now lost a Fibonacci key area of support between the 110.47 and the 96.24 USDT mark, which is that yellow target area on the charts. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the next Fibonacci key areas of supports that we need to continue holding within, and also give you a scenario that can easily give us a bounce in the next coming days. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, my expectation and my analysis has been that from the lows we made on the 7th of April, we picked impulsively in a 5-wave structure, completing the formation of this larger wave 1. Then we saw a bit of a slight pullback in the formation of that second wave into the minimum target area, an area that gave us a reaction, starting the next bounce to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of that wave 3, which is an impulse, just like the formation of that first wave, I have been expecting to see a 5-wave structure also unfolding. And from the lows we made in the formation of the second wave, you can see that I have been terming that initial bounce as the formation of the first wave, then a pullback in the formation of this wave 2. And I have been expecting that we are going to get a reaction within the minimum target area for the second wave to the upper side, starting the next leg to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And the minimum target area for the second wave was given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of that first wave to the high of the wave 1. And you can see that my minimum target area has been between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8. And you can see that the past few days we saw a slight pullback over here, giving us a break of the last line of defense, which is the fib level 0.88. And that is a clear indication that we are now seeing weakness in the markets, and also an invalidation of this structure over here is just around the corner. And that means that we need to be prepared and also come up with an alternative scenario that can play out in the next coming days. And that means that I have two possible scenarios, and the first one is that we can easily get a reversal over here, start the next leg to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, then expect a wave 4 and then the wave 5 to the upper side in a move that can easily give us a break above the 150 USDT mark in the next coming days. Alternatively, in case we continue breaking down, then I will first expect a reset of the lows we made on the 22nd of June in the next coming hours, and that is below the 85.5 USDT mark. And the moment that plays out, that will make me shift to the alternative scenario. And the alternative scenario is that this whole movement over here was just the formation of that first wave, and the pullback that we are getting at the moment is the formation of a second wave. And if that is the case, then using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the lows we made down there to the highs, then we get a minimum pullback target area for that second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that is between the 96.49 USDT mark all the way to the 74.33 USDT mark. And I can change the color of that target area. So in case we continue breaking down, I will expect support between the 96.49 and the 74.33 USDT mark in the next coming days. And within that target area, then we should get a reversal, starting the next leg to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And a break of the 74.33 USDT mark will be a clear indication that a more bearish case scenario is unfolding, where we can easily break down all the way to the lows we made on the 7th of April in the next coming days. So that is all that I expect here on the QNT chart on the short term and also on the long term, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.